I said that I am really not interested in quick fixes and easy formulas. And so when I look at some other coaching programs and they're like, take your clients through this, this, and this, and boom, everything will be solved. I'm super not interested in that. I'm interested in a much more transformational and deeper reflective kind of approach. And that's how I learn. So instead of giving us easy definitions and easy answers, what presence meant, or how we actively listen. And he would not take our answers at face value. He would keep probing deeper and deeper, because it's really that deep exploration that allows for not only deeper understanding, but also deeper transformation.
I really have a strong sense that the more we know ourselves, the more we can kind of let go of ourselves. Like the more we're aware of who we are, what motivates us, what triggers us, how we move through space, the more we can let it go and say, I see these things that are habits of mind or habits of practice, and my awareness of them allows me to be free of them.
I have been in education and classes all my life, and I have never taken a class where it was all about me. This journey was really all about me and my growth and helping me to become a better person, a better coach, and a better person all around.
Coaching, but it's about coaching any kind of person. So the people that I come across can come from various walks of life, people from India, people from abroad, people who have been there in the industry for 20, 25 years, could also be a 30-year-old person. So the confidence that it has given me is that I can coach any type of person. And that's really what I appreciate. And that's because of the course. Otherwise, I would not have been able to do it. Yeah.
I think that comes to mind for me is how incredibly powerful that peer group is that I formed within Coacharya. Like how I didn't know then. I think I knew the first day, but it's great to know that was a true thing. That these would be people who would really impact my life, and they still are. And then now there's more people. Like every time I meet someone from Coacharya, there's someone new who then becomes a part of my community.
If you're looking for a really experiential coaching program where you get to embody the skills that are needed to be a talented coach, where you get to inquire on your own personal journey and then also collectively about how to be the kind of coach that really facilitates client growth and learning. If you want deep support in the class and outside of the class from the trainers, then this is the program for you.